Hello, my friends. I am here today to show you up close and in person the True Story album, the finished album for the Close to My Heart campaign that's going on right now. And I think that the pictures just don't do it justice. So I'm going to show you as closely as I can everything that is in this little interactive mini album. It was so fun to create. I have to tell you though, it's there's a lot to it, and it took me a full day to create it. And so I have scheduled a hybrid, my very first hybrid event for March 19th, no, sorry, March 12th and March 19th, which is a Saturday. And you can sign up at no cost, either for virtually or in person. And all you have to do to qualify to come to the event, either in person or virtually, is to buy the kit to make the album. And so I'm hoping 6 hours will be enough to get you to the point where you can finish it up on your own. I'm pretty sure it will be. But without further ado, I want to show you this. And I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here. Okay, here's our title page, not our title page. This is the cover, actually. So the kit comes with these craft thicker cardstock cover and back page. All right, if you don't want to use them, you can get the kit with or without the black album, or if you have your own 6x8 album, then that's fine too. So that's what the cover looks like. And it's very, very dimensional, very dimensional. And this is a cut above kit. So all of the pieces come on sheets for you to punch out. There's no cutting involved. Okay, I'm just going to pull back again here so you can see the whole thing. And in here is a little pocket for you to put your a photo in. And then we've got a couple of little embellishments or ephemera to go into this pocket. And the pockets are so easy to put together. Here is a page protector, a 6x8 page protector for 3x4 photos. So this gives you room for 3 photos on this, or 2 photos on this side and 2 photos on this side. Okay, so cute. And then here, you lift this up, you've got another 2x2 flip flap, and you've got some interesting stuff going on underneath as well. You've got some room for journaling here. Okay, and then they've introduced, Close to My Heart, has introduced these clear acrylic pages. Okay, and there's 2 of them in this album. So you can see here, it's a half circle. Just going to try and get this in a little closer so you can see a little better. Put my hand behind it. That doesn't help. There. Okay, so it's a half circle. It's got the holes already punched in it, and it's scalloped around the outer edge. Okay, and then they have given you a little bit of bling to add to that. You could add more. You could add a picture if you want on the front and back. Doesn't really matter. It's entirely up to you because it's your album. Okay, and then we've got this page that has a raised frame for a 3x3 picture. Your kit also comes with a pack of the black acrylic hearts. Now on this side, this is where things start to get really interesting. So first of all, you've got a flip flap here for 2 3x3 photos. Okay, and here you've got a pocket. Okay, and that pocket flips out and then opens as well. And in here, you've got room to do your journaling. And you have here a frame, a raised frame for another 3x3 photo. Okay, and then on this side, then we want to see this better. Okay, we've got a very interesting little like a clipboard. Okay, with some embellishments, and then you've got a 3x4 flip flop here that opens up, and you have room here for another picture and a room here for another picture. All right, so close that up, and we'll move on to this page. Whoops, wrong way, sorry. I'll make you dizzy. Okay, so here we have our second acrylic page. Now this one is a rectangular page. It's still also scalloped along the right hand or left hand edge, depending on which way it's showing. Here we've got a bookmark embellishment with the word cherish. Now this is an acrylic shape. It's all one word, so all you have to do is attach it. And here is another bookmark shape in the background with a 2x2 flip flap. So there's room for two 2x2 pages. Oh my gosh, 2x2 photographs and some journaling or another photograph in there. All right, and I just want to show you that just a little closer. So I hope I'm not making you dizzy. It's a little awkward showing a book like this. Okay, so you've got your flip flap here. And then here's your 2x2, and then you've got room in here for journaling or another 2x2 photo. So cute. Okay, back we go. And then we've got the next page, One Day at a Time. This is also an acrylic embellishment. These embellishments are very thin. Okay, so they're fragile. You have to be careful with them, but they're all one piece and they're very easy to attach. You've got a 3x3 to hold a photo, another photo here, and then under here you've got room for some journaling. You could also put another 2x2 photo in here if you wanted. Okay, then over on this side we have a vertical pocket, and then inside the pocket is a place for you to do journaling or make notes, add pictures, whatever you want. It's not the same on both sides, but you could definitely add something to the other side as well. Here we've got a page that is scalloped on the edges with a punch out word. Okay, this makes my heart happy. This is an embellishment here. Then on this side with the pink background from this pocket, or you can see the word snippets. Then we've got a bunch of layered hearts. Then on this side, all right, you've got room for a 4x4 photo with a flip flap. Then another flip flap photo here. And then underneath that, some journaling, or if you want more photos. And as I'm going through this, I can see room for more pockets if you even wanted to do that. All right, and then over here, this is another very interesting page. I want to bring this up a bit. Okay, so here you've got, to show this properly is difficult. Okay, so under here you've got room for some more writing if you want. And then in here, if we open this whole thing up, we've got more writing here. Okay, and then here we've got our pocket. Remember this, it opens up. All right, and this opens up as well for journaling. We've got a raised frame again for a 3x3 photo. And then on this side, another flip flap for a 3x3 photo, and then room for more journaling. So this would really be a good journaling spot right here for this page. Okay, so now we've got another interestingly shaped page, which is a part of a circle. Okay, and for this page, it's got some watercolor design on it, and you get a card to put there. You could put a photo in there if you'd rather. Okay, you get some banners to add, and then on this side, you get all of the pieces that you need to create this fun waterfall. Okay, and this is just not the best to show you, but anyways, so there's room for a 2x2 photo on top there. Also there, then you've got room for another one here. Little heart embellishment. Room for another photo here and here and here. Okay, and then another heart embellishment. More photos, more photos. More hearts, more photos. Yeah, that's a lot of photos. You could even add one under here if you wanted to. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 photos altogether. And then you've got more room for journaling over here. Okay, so that's a fun page. Then we've got another page protector for the 6x8 album. This one holds 2 4x6 shapes or photos. You've got some very pretty paper to back 3x4 photos on this side. And then on this side as well. Okay, and then here we have another interesting pocket. Okay, I'm going to just turn this like that. So you can see there's the pocket, simple things. And you've got room for more journaling here. This could also accommodate a photo, a 3x3 photo with it very nicely there. You've got room for a 4x6 photo here. And then another one here. And then you've got a weekly list that you can write down here, whatever you want. If you want to write anything, it's entirely up to you. Okay, and then we've got another interesting little pocket set up here. Okay, so starting at the top with the first pocket, okay, we've got some little places to add some photos or some journaling. Okay, and again, all of these pieces are pre-cut for you. All you have to do is punch them out and put them together as the directions tell you. Okay, and then down in the second pocket, we have some more little doodads, embellishments, places for you to write, whatever you like. And then we've got, again, another acrylic word for you to use. And then on this side, we've got pockets, 4 little pockets, and each pocket has a working tag, which is ready for you to put a picture, to do some added journaling. You could even add some ephemera in here. If I could get this back in, of course it doesn't cooperate with me. And then on these two, you've got room to add photos on the front. Okay, two more photos, or 3 even if you want to put them in the back. Okay, and we're coming to our last page. All right, which is a 4x4 flip flap. So you've got room here for a photo, you've got room here for another photo if you want to, or you can finish it off with some journaling. It's entirely up to you. And then your cover at the back. And that is it, folks. Okay, true story. So all of these exclusive acrylic shapes come in the kit. You can order the kit with or without the album. It's entirely up to you. March 12th and 19th, I will be doing a hybrid event, so you can come in person or attend through Zoom at no charge to you. All you have to do is purchase the kit. I would recommend, if you want to attend either of those events, you need to have your kit purchased by February 22nd. The shipping has been, has been extremely unpredictable the last few months. All right, then, if you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Valerie at SureScrapsALot, info@surescrapsalot.com, 403-828-5845. Thanks for stopping by. We'll be talking to you soon.